The S-Class is manufactured exclusively for the world market at the Mercedes-Benz plant here in Sindelfingen. Hereby, we consistently use the advantages of digitization and Industry 4.0. Combined with the skills and the experience of our employees, we create a highly efficient production and ergonomically optimized workplaces. However, in order to build a perfect S-Class, it requires more than high-tech. We need the commitment and passion of our employees.
The new S-Class sets new standards in safety, connectivity, and on the way to automated driving. Why shouldn't we transfer that to our production lines? The new S-Class might find its way from the end of the production line to the dispatch area all by itself. And why not, in distant future, Mercedes-Benz cars find their way from production directly to the customer's garage?
What is the key to a good map? It's the way it turns complex information into easy-to-digest material for you. The new S-Class uses the most detailed navigation maps available, achieving a new level of semi-automated driving. It automatically adjusts the car's speed to events in the route ahead, slowing down when approaching a curve or a roundabout. And the new S-Class always has an eye on the speed limit, either based on map data or from the traffic signs on the road. The result? The S-Class will automatically slow down or speed up, keeping you relaxed and your driver's license safe. In addition, the system is more responsive than ever. Just nudge the indicator stalk and within less than 10 seconds, the system assists with lane changes after it checks the safety zone around the car. All in all, the S-Class reaches new levels in terms of safety, comfort and connectivity for a truly superior driving experience.
I think our little film just made it clear. Our new S-Class is another major step towards autonomous driving. So, how does it feel to take a seat behind the steering wheel of our new flagship? Check out this cockpit. This is what it looks like when you're truly in control. Gripping our all-new steering wheel, you feel like you can navigate a spaceship with it. And in fact, all driver assistance systems are now at your fingertips. Just hit the button and activate Distronic, and expand or reduce the distance by nudging the switch. It's absolutely intuitive. And it further enhances operating safety. More than ever, the S-Class will be your supportive co-pilot. Compared to the previous S-Class, we've further enhanced our camera and radar systems to look up to 250 meters ahead. And as you've seen, for the first time, we make use of map and navigation data to calculate driving behavior. As a result, we now enable even more periods of semi-automated driving, even on country roads. So when you start the ignition, you can look forward to a truly relaxed driving experience. Of course, being Mercedes-Benz, we did everything to still ensure maximum driving pleasure. So when you step on the gas of our S-Class, it feels like you're taking off. And here's why. Many of our engines are completely new. Our engineering goal was simple: to combine superior performance with maximum efficiency. Let's have a closer look, starting with our all-new 6-cylinder engines. Take a moment to imagine the sound of starting up a powerful Mercedes. You know what? You actually hear almost nothing. That already shows at Mercedes-Benz the boundaries between hybrids and conventional drivetrains are becoming blurred. We're introducing 3 major new technologies for this. We are the first manufacturer to use an integrated starter alternator in series production. We provide intelligent turbocharging with our electric auxiliary compressor. And with the 48-volt electric system, this engine is designed for electrification from the start. You don't need to remember all these names, just remember what this technology will do for you. You get the typical attributes of a hybrid car, such as energy recovery or a coasting function, with a clear effect on fuel efficiency. You get amazing engine response in all RPM ranges. And you get a boost effect of an additional 200 Newton meters. Who wouldn't love this? All in all, you get the power of an 8-cylinder with the efficiency of a 4-cylinder engine. But we can do even better. We're planning to introduce an improved plug-in hybrid model with an electric range of around about 50 kilometers. Now, the S-Class is a powerful car for powerful people. So let's talk about our most powerful engines. And in the Mercedes universe, that means AMG. Our Mercedes AMG S560 4MATIC Plus now comes with an all-new 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine. Just look at the numbers. It accelerates like a sports car. And at the same time, thanks to our new twin-scroll turbocharger and our innovative cylinder management, among other things, this is one of the world's most efficient V8 engines. And our engineers thought that this could also become a perfect engine for the epitome of automotive luxury. So they took the V8, changed the character from sporty to sublime, and implemented it into our new Mercedes-Maybach. But irrespective of the engine driving the Maybach models, it feels simply majestic. So, is there any place in the world that's better than the driver's seat of an S-Class? We'll find out in a bit. Thank you.
Active Parking Assist is an electronic parking aid with ultrasound. Active steering intervention and brake application can assist you when entering or exiting a parking space. Active Parking Assist is switched on automatically when driving forwards at speeds up to 35 km/h. Potential parking spaces for the vehicle are measured using ultrasound sensors. When driving at speeds below 30 km/h, you will see the parking symbol in the instrument cluster. If suitable parking spaces are detected to the left or right of the vehicle, an arrow appears beside the parking symbol. Parking spaces on the driver's side are displayed only if you have activated the turn signal on the driver's side. Drive just past the parking space, bring the vehicle to a standstill, and engage reverse gear. Press OK to confirm the display prompt. The system will now assist you when parking and switches to active parking guidance. Release the steering wheel and reverse slowly. The vehicle will brake automatically. Pay attention to your surroundings and use the brakes or steering wheel to avoid an accident. Also pay attention to information provided by Parktronic. Parktronic tells you the distance between your vehicle and an object with a visual display, and also with an additional audible signal if you continue to draw closer. This ultrasound-based system is activated automatically when you switch on the ignition. When Parktronic is switched off, Active Parking Assist is also unavailable. It may be necessary to change transmission positions several times while parking. Follow the instructions in the multi-function display. You can cancel Active Parking Assist at any time, either by pressing the Parktronic button or by holding the steering wheel or steering yourself. Once you have parked the vehicle, you can continue driving by depressing the accelerator again. Parktronic is still available. Remember that Active Parking Assist is only an aid and is not a substitute for attentive driving.
Active Parking Assist and Parktronic, the surround view of the 360-degree camera also supports you when parking by serving as a convenient visual parking and maneuvering aid. The 360-degree camera is a system with 4 cameras, which analyzes the images from the reversing camera, the front camera, and a camera in each of the exterior mirrors. The cameras cover the immediate surroundings of the vehicle. In the command display, you can select between full screen modes and various split screen views. To activate the 360-degree camera, press the function button next to the steering wheel. Depending on whether transmission position D or R is selected, the command display shows a split screen with top view and the image from the front or reversing camera. You can show images automatically by engaging reverse gear. To do so, the Activate Automatically in Reverse Gear function must be selected in Command Online. The area behind the vehicle is shown with guidelines in the command display, and the top view is displayed as a split screen. To change the split screen view, slide and then turn the command controller to select one of the vehicle symbols. Only use the guidelines for orientation and do not pass the red guideline when approaching objects. Bear in mind that the 360-degree camera is only an aid and is not a substitute for attentive driving.